Today's bell ringer says SpongeBob is heterozygous for his yellow body color and his square pants, while his wife, Sponge Susie, is blue, so she has the recessive trait, and has round pants, which is also the recessive trait. So what is the probability of them having a little sponge that is blue with square pants? Use the law of probability to solve this genetic problem. Show your work. Okay. This is a dihybrid cross. We could draw our big 16 square box and sort out our gametes, do all that. Or we can use the law of probability using our little monohybrid little Punnett squares. And it says use the law of probability. So we're going to draw just a little 4-box Punnett square for the color. And then we're going to draw a separate one for the pants shape. And if we want them to occur together, remember we're going to multiply those probabilities. So first thing we'll do is we're going to draw a Punnett square for the yellow and the blue body color. So we'll insert, drawing. Square. It says SpongeBob was heterozygous for his yellow color. Remember, hetero means different. So if he is heterozygous, he is going to be big Y, little y. Let's see. Let's not do this text box. Use scribbles. It just works out better. So he's going to be big Y, little y. He is heterozygous for his yellow body color. Might not be as pretty, but it's easier to do when we try to do the text box. So he's big Y, little y. And Susie is homozygous for her blue color because it's the recessive trait, and the only way she can show the recessive trait is to be homozygous. So she has to be little y, little y. So right here we'll have the big Y, little y. And then we'll have a little y, little y. And then we'll have a big Y, little y. And a little y, little y. So that's our first one. And I guess we can leave it up there. Apparently I did not have my person I wanted. Okay, so that is the one for color, and we want to see if the baby will have what color skin. We want to see if the baby will be blue. So if the baby's going to be blue, it's going to have to be little y, little y. So up here we have 2 out of our 4 little y, little y. So let me write that down. Here we have 2 out of 4. Or we can reduce that down to 1/2. 1 out of 2. It would be phenotype blue. So next we're going to do pants shape. SpongeBob was heterozygous for his square pants shape. And Susie is round pants. Another square. I'm going to insert drawing, new, square. And he is heterozygous for square pants, so that will be hetero again is different, so big S, little s. And Susie is round pants, which is the recessive trait, so to be recessive, she has to be homozygous recessive, little s, little s. So here we'll get a big S, little s.
Mommy's right here.
And then this one will be little s, little s. And we'll have a big S and a little s. And a little s, little s. So, it wants to know if the baby will have square pants. So this time we're looking for the dominant trait. So anybody who has a big S will have that trait, that phenotype. So we have 2 out of our 4 that have a big S. So down here we can put. Also, we have 2 out of 4. Or reduce it to 1/2. Square pants. And then to figure out what are the chances of those happening together, because we want it to be blue and square pants. So if it's and, we're going to multiply the probability of each of these. So we have 1/2 blue times 1/2 square. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply across the top there. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply across our bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. So there'll be a 1 in 4 chance of blue and square. So 1 out of 4 chance of being blue and square pants. That's your answer. Make sure you put your answer up in that top right hand corner and submit that. Your other assignments for today, you have 2 Thanksgiving handouts on genetics. I'm not going to go through those with you. They're just fun activities using Punnett squares. The first one is a turkey activity. So you're going to need a coin on that one. You're going to flip the coin for each allele. Flip a coin, one side will be the dominant, the other side will be the recessive. And then you're going to mark those down and do Punnett squares just to figure out the traits of your turkey. So you'll do that one. And make sure you complete it. You'll have to open it in DocHub. It's PDF, so open it in DocHub so you can fill out your little charts on that one. And then the other one is a spiral review. It's just kind of random questions about Thanksgiving that have to do with science. So you're going to go back, dig deep into your science knowledge and see if you can figure those answers out. So it's just 2 little fun Thanksgiving things to do our last day here before we get out for Thanksgiving. So open those up and give them a try. And I will see you. I guess it will be December when I see you again. So y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Be careful, stay safe, enjoy time with your families, and I'll see you later.